Hi, you are welcome back to another coconut oil making video. In this particular video today, I'll be showing you how to make cold pressed coconut oil, pure virgin coconut oil. So in here I have 5 small sized coconuts, and that's what I'll be using for this particular oil production or hey, coconut oil making. So the last time I posted how to make hot pressed coconut oil, and yeah, if you have not seen it, I'll be linking it to the end of this video. So let's go ahead and break our coconuts, which I've broken off the camera, and yeah, we're going to blend. After blending the coconuts, yeah, and this is the milk, I'm going to go ahead and sieve it with my chiffon sieve. You can also use yours. You can use any sieve that will just remove all the chaffs and leaving only the milk alone. So that's what you are going to use. Please, if you have not liked this video, do well to like it at this point and subscribe if you have not done so. Don't forget to turn on the bell notification so that anytime I post a new video, you will get to see it. So after separating the milk from the chaff, this is all we have left here. We have a pure, very clean, thick coconut milk here. Very delicious in case you want to take it like this. Then afterwards, I will go ahead and cover the container or the milk and keep it in a dry, warm place. I'm not putting it in the fridge because we are making cold pressed coconut oil, and fridge will not give us exactly what we want. Don't worry, you are going to find out why in this video. So this is the chaff. This is what is left. This one you can use it as swallow, especially for those that are into ketogenic lifestyle. It is very good for swallow. It is very good for your weight and for your weight loss and weight management. It is very nice for your health. It's a very nice healthy swallow. So you can go ahead and discard it, or you use it for your swallow.
24 hours later.
Then the next day we bring out the milk to continue the process. Look at that. Look at that. Can you see the oil floating on top of the water? You can see the oil all around the container. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, that's the oil. So you just go ahead and carefully, I said carefully, scoop the oil into another bowl from the milk, from the water. Very careful so that you don't pack a lot of water into the oil and also a lot of chaff into the oil. So just do that and like this video as you are scooping it now. Like this video now. Like it. Have you liked it? Thank you so much. Now if you have not subscribed, check very well. Have you subscribed? Click on that subscription button. It's absolutely free. You're not going to pay any dime, but you can still support me by super chatting me in this particular video. I like better thing too. So after scooping the oil, this is the oil. This is what we have from the 5 small sized coconuts. And yeah, I'll be going ahead to separate this oil from that thing that you are seeing under, those unwanted particles, the milk and some water that followed in. So you'll be watching this video to see how I separate it from the oil. So I will go ahead and cover it to avoid water entering into it and put it into the fridge.
A few minutes later.
Few minutes later, I checked on it and it's already ready for separation. So I brought it out from the fridge, and yeah, this is it. This is how it looks like. It looks so beautiful, so yummy. It looks so good, like the feeling and everything, it's just so good. And yeah, it looks like ice cream. You can go ahead and taste it. It's very healthy too. you know, to consume. You can use it for cooking. You can use it for so many things. But then I haven't removed the particles that are underneath this stuff. So just watch as I remove it. In case you're wondering why the oil is small from 5 coconuts, it's not that small. And I even use from it to make my hot pressed coconut oil. So you see why. I am so sorry. I didn't know that I wasn't recording when I was removing this stuff. So this is just the particles that is left in the plate. Once you just pull it up the plate, you will see that place is very loose. The water will not be congealed with the oil and all the particles will be loose with the water. So you just take it up and carefully scrape off the unwanted particles and the water. All of them will be taken out and you have your pure cold pressed virgin coconut oil. Like, it's everything. It is very nice. And one thing about this particular coconut oil is that when you touch it a little, it spreads. It's much. So this is it. I have here my cold pressed coconut oil. In case you have watched to this extent, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to stay safe out there and see you in my next video. Bye.